The condition is the charge flowing in a conductor varies with the time as q is equals to a into t minus bt square by 2 plus ct cube divided by 6. Find the minimum current in the conductor. So first I differentiated the charge with the time. So I got a is equals to a minus bt plus c into t square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, in order to make it the condition, what is asking? Find the minimum current. That means this is a function of time, isn't it? So
Yes,
if I'm
sir.
writing this one as di divided by your dt, isn't it? So for minimum current, this will become for me how much? A0. This will become for me minus of your B plus this one will become for me C into T, isn't it? So this
Yes,
one must
sir.
be equal to how much for me? 0. For minimum
Yes,
current,
sir.
di by dt must be equal to your 0. That means minus of B will be equal to C into T. So at what time it will be becoming 0? T is equals to your B by your A. ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్ వస్తుంది, మైనస్ మైనస్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో
Yes,
T
sir.
is equals to your B by A.
B by A. Yes, sir.
సో మినిమం కరెంట్ కావాలి ఇప్పుడు మనకు. సో I minimum will be equal to your A minus of your B into T value is nothing but B by C కదా, B by C. C కదా.
Yes, sir.
It is B by C plus half into C into this one is your B by C whole square. So this will become for me A minus of B square by C plus this one is C into B square divided by your 2 into your C square. ఇది కూడా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, అవునా కదా? సో
Yes,
ఎంత
sir.
అవుతుంది చూడండి. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ A minus of B square by C, B square by C plus B square by your 2C, అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
So that is 1 minus 1 by 2. That will become for me how much? A minus of B square by 2C. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
your minimum current. So I minimum will be equal to your A minus of B square by 2C. That means a T is equals to 0. A T is equals to 0. Current is equals to how much for me beta? A only na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So A minus B square is lesser than of your A only kada?
Yes, sir.
Minus B square by 2C is lesser than your A only. So lesser than current A is not possible. But T is equal to 0. I'll take current I is equal to how much for me? A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more question. A straight conductor of uniform cross section carries a current I. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let S be the specific charge. Chemistry లో వస్తుంది మనకు.
Yes, sir.
Charge అంటే charge of electron by charge of mass, E by M.
Yes, sir.
Charge of an electron. Charge of electron ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం? S తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
Yes,
Question
sir.
is find the momentum of all the free electrons per unit length of conductor due to their drift velocity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. First try to read the question carefully, see what is the data given. But okay.
Yes, sir.
Straight conductor of uniform cross section carries a current I. Let S be the specific charge of an electron. Find the momentum of free electrons per unit volume. What do you mean by this one? Momentum of free electrons per unit length of the conductor due to their drift velocities. What is momentum formula beta? Momentum is P is equals to M
MV.
into drift
Yes,
velocity of the electrons. I can write as if your VD. Into
Yes,
your per
sir.
unit length means total volume. That is nothing but N into your A.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So P is equals to M into drift velocity. Can I write like this? I by your N into E into your E into this one is your N into your E. So A gets cancelled, N gets cancelled. So momentum will be equal to how much beta? M into your I divided by your E. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Drift velocity is అంతే కదా? Drift
Yes,
velocity
sir.
is how much for me? V now only na?
Yes,
I
sir.
is equals to your V now.
V now. Yes, sir.
So VD will be equal to how much? By I by E into N into A.
Yes,
So
sir.
momentum ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? P is equals to M into E by M into I divided by E.
A.
This
Yes,
is a
sir.
specific charge, it is E by M కదా.
Yes, sir.
M ని కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చేసి, so we'll be writing this P is equals to I by E by your M. This E by M can be written as of what? S. So I by S is the answer. Then,
Yes, sir.
so momentum will be equal to your current divided by your S. What is S here? Not area. So S is your specific charge.
Yes, sir.
Or else the answer will be equal to this method. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Next question. Say for example, infinite number of point charges q, comma q by 2, comma q by 4, so on up to infinity. Are placed on a non-conducting ring of radius capital R. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
it rotates with an angular speed, omega, my question is, find the equivalent current. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We've got a ring. The radius of this one is equals to your R. And on this one, what we are having better charges? Q, comma q by 2, comma q by 4, so on up to your infinity on this one, up to infinity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is a non-conducting ring of radius capital R. Non-conducting means charge is being present throughout the surface. Only a surface kakunda, throughout the body the charge is being present. Infinity వరకు అంటే ఎంత ఇంకా మొత్తం ఆక్యుపై ఉంటుంది.
Yes, sir. Fully.
So this is a non-conducting. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Non-conducting అంటే throughout the body. Conducting అయితే only surface పైన. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
So as it is a non-conducting means the charge is being present throughout the body. So you can remove this one right now. So in this one I can write here, this is your charge. So I can write here, this one is Q. The next one is nothing but Q by 2. The next one is Q by 4, so on up to your infinity. Okay, na? That's what it's telling. That
Yes,
means what
sir.
is the total charge? Q is equals to Q plus Q by 2 plus Q by 4 plus so on up to infinity.
Yes, sir.
What type of a progression it will be? GP, geometric progression.
Arithmetic. Sorry, geometric. Yes, sir.
It is Q divided by common ratio is how much for me? 1 minus 1 by 2. So that will become how much for me? 1 by 2. So it will become for me 2Q. And
Yes,
then,
sir.
so current will be equal to when it is rotating Q by T. Kada? When it is rotating with an angular velocity of your omega. I told you omega will be equal to how much for me? Better 2 pi by capital T.
Yes, sir.
The relation V is equals to R omega. Isn't it? So I can write
Yes,
here
sir.
T is equals to your 2 pi by your omega, and omega can be written as of your right now. That is 2 pi divided by, from this one I can write omega is equals to how much for me? V by R. So it is V by R means 2 pi R by V.
Yes, sir.
Or else I can directly write in terms of omega. Omega T is equals to 2 pi by omega. That is equals to Q divided by 2 pi by omega. Omega will go up. So charge will be equal to how much for me? I is equals to capital Q is how much? 2Q into your omega divided by your 2 into pi. This 2 will get cancelled. So ultimately,
Yes, sir.
current will be equal to how much for me? Q omega divided by your pi. So this is your charge. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So just go through this question, but if there is any doubt, you please let me know.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. equation note it right channel. The amount of charge screen కనిపిస్తుందా క్లియర్ గా వర్డింగ్ లేకపోతే ఇదైపోతుందా
Clear గా ఉంది, sir.
The amount of the charge passed in time t through a cross section of wire, through a cross section of your wire is q is equals to alpha into t minus beta into your t square. Okay, where alpha and beta are constants.
Yes, sir.
Alpha and beta are constants. Okay, first question is find current in terms of time t. Okay, and second question is sketch I versus t graph. Okay, so this is a question. The amount of charge which has been passed in a time t. So charge is given for me. So how do you calculate the current? That was is asking. So given charge is q is equals to alpha into t minus of beta into t square. How do you calculate the current? I is equals to dq divided by dt.
Yes.
That is equals to d into your q. Q value is here alpha into t divided by your dt minus this one is nothing but your differentiation of beta into t square divided by your dt. That means in this one is alpha out and this one is your dt by your dt. Antena? This one will get cancelled. Minus
Yes,
this is
sir.
beta out. Differentiation of t square is nothing but how much for me? 2t.
Yes, sir.
That means current is how much for me? I is equals to alpha minus 2 times of your beta into t. This is your
Yes,
current.
sir.
So t is equals to 0. I will be equal to how much? Alpha.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So when I is equals to 0, then time will be equal to how much? At what time the current will become 0 అన్నాడు అనుకో ఏమైతుంది I0 పెట్టుకుంటే
I0.
alpha is equals to
Yes.
2 beta అంటే time will be equal to your alpha by 2 beta.
2 beta. Yes, sir. 2 beta. Yes.
ఉన్నప్పుడు కరెంట్ ఏమో alpha.
Yes, sir.
కరెంట్ ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది at a time t is equals to alpha by 2 beta.
Alpha by 2 beta.
So if I'm drawing the graph for this one beta, if I'm comparing this with your y is equals to your m into your x plus of your some c. On x-axis we'll be taking time.
Yes.
On y-axis we'll be taking the current. So this will be the graph for me. Okay. So on here I'll be taking your current I, and here I'll be taking the time t. So current time I is equals to t is equal to 0 kada current emo maximum. Adenta alpha.
Yes, sir. Alpha. Yes, sir.
Your alpha. Then at time t is equals to alpha by 2 beta. Current enta ayipotundi 0.
0. Yes, sir.
A straight line passing like this.
Yes, sir.
This will be the graph. Antena?
Yes, sir.
This will be the graph right now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Equation no chain anapro, sorry. Take a paper
Yes,
and pen, I'll wait it. The current through a wire depends on time as I is equals to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 into your t square. Question is find the charge crossed through a section of wire in 6 seconds. Pages, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you 2 minutes of your time. Try Chetandar Garafka.
Sir, I is equals to 6 plus 3t, sir.
I in the discourse, I is a function of time. What is
No,
our
sir, I'm asking in the question, sir.
in the question I is equals to 4 plus 3t plus 2t square.
Okay, sir.
Current is given, so calculate the charge.
Yes. Sir, we'll take
Differentiation చేయాలా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలా?
find the charge cross.
I is
Charge ante we have to differentiate, right, sir?
చూడు I is equals to dq by dt. మనకు కావాల్సింది చార్జ్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
చార్జ్ కావాలంటే dq by dt తీసుకొచ్చేసి దట్ ఈస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ dt.
Okay, yes, sir, like this. Yes.
So we need to do what? Integration.
Integration, yes, sir.
Integral of dq is nothing but how much? 0 to q will be equal to q. That is equals to integral. I value enta 4 plus
4,
3
yes.
into t plus 2 into t square into your dt. Limits are what for me? 0 to what time? 6 seconds for
6 seconds, yes, sir.
Isn't it? So now this will become how much for me? Q is equals to integral of 4 into your dt 0 to 6 plus integral of your 3t into your dt limits 0 to 6 plus integral of your 2 into t square into your dt limits 0 to 6.
Yes, sir.
So q is equals to 4. Integral of dt is nothing but equal to your t. Limits
yes.
are 0 to 6 plus 3 out. Integral of t into dt is how much for me? T square divided by 2. Limits are 0 to 6 plus 2 out. Integral of t square into dt is how much for me? T cube divided by 3. 0 to your 6.
6, yes, sir.
Okay. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So it is
4 into 6 minus.
6 minus of 0 plus this will be 3 by 2 into 6 square
3.
minus of 0 square.
0
plus
square,
is
yes.
2 by 3 into 6 cube minus of your 0 cube.
0 cube, yes, sir.
Q will be equal to 6 4s are
24, sir.
24 plus 3 by 2 into 6 square.
36
6 are 36. 36 divided by 2.
18, sir. 18 into 3. 18, 36, 54, sir.
54 plus this is 2 by 3 into 6 cube.
Yes, sir.
And 6 into 6 into 6.
216, sir.
Divided by 3.
3. 72, sir.
And
72, malli into 2. 72 into 2 is 144.
144.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So how much is the total charge now? Q is equal to 24 plus 54 plus 144.
54 plus 20. 50 plus 140, 190, 198, 198. 222, sir.
222 coulombs. Okay?
Yes, sir.
చూడు ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కొంచెం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అంతే ఇంకేం లేదు.
Yes, sir.
చూడు నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Yes. సార్ ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్ చూపిస్తారు సార్.
యా అరే టచ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ కీబోర్డ్ రాకూడదు అంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా?
టచ్ చేసేటప్పుడు సార్ నాకు రాదు సార్ అంటే whenever I'm using the screen, right, sir?
నేను స్క్రీన్ ఎలా యూస్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ బుక్. ఐఎమ్ కంప్లీట్లీ కీపింగ్ మై ట్యాబ్ on my table and writing like in a slate.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So when I am touching every time, you might be seeing kada the moment I'm
అవును సార్, it's coming like this and it's going.
basically గా.
Yes, sir.
అది సెట్టింగ్స్ లో ఏమైనా చేంజ్ చేయాలి ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా నీకు?
I guess దీంట్లో ఈ యాప్ సెట్టింగ్ లోనే ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటా సార్.
యాప్ సెట్టింగ్ లోనే ఉంటుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా చేయనా సార్? Say for example, an electron beam has an aperture 2 mm square. A total of 5 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons go through any perpendicular cross section per second. Okay, find.
Yes, sir.
Number A, the current. Number B, the current density. The current density in the beam. Sure, try it. An electron beam has an aperture. Aperture means what, beta? Some hole.
Yes, sir.
So through which a total of how much? 5 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons are going through any perpendicular cross section per second. So he's asking the current. I is equals to what? Q by T. How many
Yes, sir.
electrons are going? N into E divided by T. How many is given N? N is given as 5 into 10 to
5
the
into 10. 18.
18.
Yes, sir.
Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power
10
of
power
19. In how much time? Per second.
per second.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See how much I'm getting this one?
10 to the power of minus 1 will get
16 by 10 రాసుకో 16 by 10 రాసుకుంటే 10 to the power of minus 20.
minus 1. Yes, sir.
So it is 16 5s are
80, sir.
80 into 10 to the power of 18, 10 to the power of minus 20.
Sir, ఇప్పుడే 10 to the power of 18, 10 to the power of minus 19, we can take it as 10 to the power of minus 1, right, sir?
10 to the power of minus 1.
So 1.6 into 0.5.
0.8.
0.8. Yes, sir.
Okay, 0.8 amperes. Next one, current density. Current density J is equals to I by
Yes, sir. I will.
I is how much? 0.8. Area is how much for
12. Yes, sir.
ఎంత? 2
mm, right, sir?
2 mm ఎలా రాస్తావు?
2 into 10 to the power of minus 4.
Minus 3 whole square.
Okay, whole square is there. So minus 3 whole square minus 9.
So it is your 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. అంతేనా?
So 3 into 3 minus 9, right, sir?
Square కదా నాన్న?
Sir, minus 3 whole square is
mm square కదా. 1 mm is how much? 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
yes, sir. We'll get it as okay. So minus 6. Yes, sir. Minus 3 minus
3
minus 6.
10 to the power
Yes,
of
sir. Minus 6.
minus 6.
Yes, sir. A to the power of m into a to the power of.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చూసుకో.
We can take this as 0.2 and the power of minus 7. 4s are 4 by 4. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Sir, 4 into 10. No. 4 into 10 to the power of 7, sir.
ఎంత?
4 into 10 to the power of 7.
4 into 10 to the power of
7.
7 వస్తుందా?
అంటే if you take it as
divided by 2. 0.8 అంటే ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నాన్న? 8 by 10 కదా. So 8 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of 10. అంతే కదా. అంటే this one is 10 to the power of minus 5 అయిపోతుందా? 2 1s are 2 4s are. This is 4 divided by 10 to the power of minus 5 అవుతుందా?
ఓకే minus 5. అంటే సార్ ఇక్కడ
10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of ఇది plus 1. అంటే ఎంత?
Yes,
10 to
sir,
the
minus
power of
5.
minus 6 plus 1 కదా. 10
minus
to the
5.
power
Yes,
of
sir.
minus 5. So that means that will become for me how much? 4 into 10 to the power of 5 ampere per meter.
Sir, now I took it as 2. I wrote it as 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 1, sir. We can write 2 as 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 1, right, sir?
Why?
అప్పుడు అంటే ఇప్పుడు 2 డినామినేటర్ లో సార్ we can
ఇది ఎంత ఉంది? 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 ఉంది ఇది.
yes sir. So ఆ 2 ఏదైతే
2 రాస్తున్నావు అంటే what do you mean by 0.2 అంటే it will become for me 10 to the power of minus 5.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So that will be the level of questions in this topic. Okay,
okay sir. Yes sir.
ఎక్కువ ఏం లేదు unnecessary. So
okay sir.
the remaining time you can practice, and if there are any doubts, you please send me on your WhatsApp. Okay na?
Okay sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Sure. And next week you don't miss the classes because current electricity చాలా depth లో చేయాల్సింది మనకు. And it's scoring topic and easy topic, and also we need to score it. So be a little bit attentive and practice more in this one because practice is much required for this topic.
Okay sir.
Okay na?
Yes sir.
Sure. Take care beta. Bye.
Yes sir. Thank you sir. Bye sir.